There's many reasons why the tart cherry harvest is so important to our family. The first is it's our major crop. It's what we grow the most of.
Second, the cherry harvest is when our whole family gets to work together to accomplish one task.
Cherry harvest is a lot of work, but it's also a lot of fun. We want to show you the whole process.
Our family has been growing cherries for over 4 generations.
It's been a privilege to work with our father during past cherry harvests, and now we're able to work with our own children. Thanks for watching our video. Now you got a taste of what the cherry harvest is all about for our family.
So what's your favorite thing about cherries?
I don't know, probably lunch.